Ironman is one of the most grueling sports in the world. Being fit is a given. But what does it really take to rise to the sport's elite level? We are taking 6 of Australia's very best from other sports and pitting them against our greatest Ironmen. In the name of science, we will push them to and beyond their limits. Gut-wrenching tests in both the laboratory and on the beach. Then the finale, a race to determine who just might make it as an Ironman. This is the Nutri-Grain Sports Star Challenge. Victory to Adelaide Crow Patrick Dangerfield, with some help from Ali on the ski. But that doesn't mean he will be crowned the athlete most suited to becoming an Ironman.
Patrick Dangerfield, he's fit, fast, strong, big. If he had a tan, he'd be impeccable.
We couldn't split you guys. So you're joint winners of the Nutri-Grain Sports Star Challenge.